Hi, welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint Essentials module of the Kinetic Digital Literacy Program. Let's walk through the essential information you need to know about Microsoft PowerPoint. This program today will give you an understanding of what Microsoft PowerPoint is and what it's used for. We'll look at some of the key PowerPoint terminology, we'll look at the key components and help you navigate PowerPoint. We'll then create our first presentation together, and then we'll save that presentation. So let's look at Microsoft PowerPoint now. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? PowerPoint is an electronic presentation program from Microsoft and part of their Microsoft Office product group for business applications. We use an electronic presentation application like Microsoft PowerPoint when we need to display and explain information to a group of viewers. It contains many tools to help you organize your thoughts and display the information in a way that your audience can easily capture your message. PowerPoint helps you tell your story visually with words, pictures, charts, animation, and video. A PowerPoint presentation is similar to a slideshow. Common PowerPoint use cases. PowerPoint is made up of slides that when put together become a slideshow. PowerPoint is most commonly used in business settings, but is also used widely by anyone that needs to share an idea. This can include nonprofit organizations, school functions, homework, and more. PowerPoint uses slides to display information so it can be easily viewed and understood. PowerPoint is very powerful and very easy to use. This training you're watching today was created in Microsoft PowerPoint. Organizations use Microsoft PowerPoint for the following and more. Creating tutorials, like this one you're watching right now. Making visual presentations. Preparing commercial reports. Developing and sharing marketing strategies. Collaborating and brainstorming. Sales presentations. And project planning. So let's start to walk through some of the functionality of how you actually use Microsoft PowerPoint. First up, let's actually get PowerPoint to run on our computer. After you've installed the Microsoft Office Suite, you'll launch PowerPoint by doing one of three things. You'll click Start, and then you'll click the icon that's in the Start menu up in the Live Tiles area. Or you'll click the icon in the All Apps list under P after you've hit the Start button, or you click the icon in the taskbar if there's a shortcut saved for it. Once Microsoft loads, there's a window that contains many elements that are similar to other Microsoft Office programs. These elements include the Office button, Quick Access toolbar, the title bar, tabs, scroll bars, and status bar, but let's walk through the entire PowerPoint window. First, the ribbon. This is the area containing the tabs, and it contains a lot of tools you can use to customize your PowerPoint presentation. The Quick Access toolbar contains buttons for commonly used commands. It is customizable and configurable by you. The title bar indicates the software, the name of the presentation that is open. Minimize, maximize, and close buttons are all up here at the top. Tabs. These contain commands that are divided into related tasks called groups. The slide pane. This contains the current slide in your presentation, and you can use the vertical scroll bar to view other slides in the presentation and jump to those to edit. The view area is located at the right-hand bottom of the screen. It contains buttons that allow the ability to switch between PowerPoint views. The first button allows you to view slides in normal view. That's what we're seeing here. The second is called the slide sorter view. That's where you see all of your slides at once and you can arrange them from there. The third is called the reader view, which is like an outline view. And the fourth is called the slideshow view. The two most important are the first and the fourth. You will typically edit in the first one, and then you'll use the fourth one, slideshow view, when you're actually showing your presentation to other people. This area also includes the zoom feature so that you can zoom in and out while editing. The Notes pane is located below the slide pane and is used to type reference notes. The notes can be printed, then referenced when making the presentation. This notes area can also be visible while you're presenting when you use presenter view so that you can look at the notes while you're presenting. The status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It shows messages and information about the view, such as the slide number and the current theme template being used. Now let's create a presentation together. We'll start by clicking File in the ribbon, and then we will click New. PowerPoint comes with a variety of built-in templates that you can use. These are purpose-built to support a wide variety of uses, including an all-hands presentation, a pitch deck, a travel show, a calendar, movie night posters, and more. Chances are you can find something in the default designs that will work for you. You'll also see across the top a menu of potential topics to give you more options based on your purpose. In this case, we'll keep it simple and just choose Universal Presentation. After clicking Universal Presentation, click Create. Now, you simply type into each slide to change your presentation title and the key components of each slide. Each of these text areas are configurable. They allow you to type in them and put in your own words without changing the look and feel of the slide. In this way, it is very easy for you to configure your first presentation, type in the words, and you will have a full presentation in less than 5 minutes. You'll see very quickly where to type and how to add additional pictures and animation by clicking around in the ribbon. In no time, you'll have completed your first presentation and you'll be on your way to becoming a PowerPoint expert. Now that you've created your presentation, we need to present it. This is very important. This is an essential function of PowerPoint. This is how we show our new fancy presentation to an audience and share your knowledge. We click this button to enter into presentation or slideshow mode. This puts your presentation into a full screen mode where your audience sees just the presentation large and without the areas that you edit. Here's what it looks like in full presentation mode. To get out of presentation mode, you hit the Escape key, labeled ESC on your keyboard, to end the presentation and return to edit mode. Now, to be safe, let's save our presentation so that nothing happens to it. To save our presentation, click File in the ribbon, and then click Save. Navigate to the area where you want to save this presentation, such as your desktop or in your Documents folder. Give it an appropriate name and click Save. To retrieve this file again later, you would do the same thing, but you would click File and then Open. This concludes this module. I hope that you're able to take something away from this that you can use. It's important to practice, be curious, try out many different design options, have fun with it. We'll have additional Microsoft PowerPoint trainings available in the near future that will help you go even further with it.